Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 9th, 2022. We're going to talk about GameStop today because the market crashed after earnings. And I came in, I did a video on December the 4th, which was around like December the 5th, still telling you all that the market in GameStop was a buy. And look what happened since then. 2 days following or 3 days following my price prediction, price in GameStop has completely fell down. Are we still on par to see the market in GameStop go higher? Very well, still may be the case. Let me talk to you all about it. Now, first of all, yes, if you guys want to say that price came in and fell below my support area of $24.80, yes, you are right. So we were to get a stop loss there, we would be out at 13.5%. But look what happened yesterday. See, so many times when you place stop losses in the market, your original prediction may actually be correct, but the market stopped you out, so you cannot profit from it. Because the market in GameStop came right back above my support area. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that funny? So if I would have had a stop loss in the market on the market order books, I would have got stopped out here on December the 6th, only to come to find out that 2 days later, the price is going to be right back up above it. So this kind of tells us that our original price prediction in the market in GameStop is still viable. The market is still consolidating. Nothing has really changed. We're still in a consolidational trading range in GameStop. The only thing that I would tell you that I should have done in GameStop was I should have lowered my stop loss or support area down here, because you guys can see right here that the market low came in on November the 9th. That should have been our ultimate area of support, but I didn't have that. I really wanted to see the market hold up here around 24. But hey, let's talk about the market though. Let's see, are we still expecting the price action in the market in GameStop to continue to go higher? Right now on this 2-day price bar, this tells me that the market buyers, people felt that price was attractive on this prior 2 days, where the massive spread down came in. We saw price follow or spill over into this last completed 2-day price bar while the market came right back up and closed at the high. That tells us that buyers are still there. Okay, that's one thing. The second thing is you're seeing the same thing here on the 3-day price bar. Now we got 9 hours left on this current 3 days. But again, if I still see price in GameStop hold $24 at support, then I'm going to look for the market to continue to go higher. Okay, I might just have to extend out my price prediction though. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that now. Now let's look at this on the weekly chart, since we are about to conclude the weekly price bar and a GameStop. And again, the market here is giving us a probable precursor of strength, meaning in the next week, if we don't see price in GameStop close higher than its previous weekly price bar, then we need to anticipate that price is still weak. And now I will come back in and say, yeah, the market buyers, the opportunity didn't buy on the buyer side, and we need to expect price to continue to go lower. But as of right now, the market is telling us that we still have the ability, that buyers are still going to continue to come into the market in GameStop and continue to try to lift this market higher. Everything's going to be contingent on us holding $24. Okay. So let's look at this on the 3-hour chart. I think you guys can tell where the market buyers came in. Now, if we don't see price hold 24 at the conclusion of today, then we might as well say, yeah, it's looking less and less likely that GameStop is not going to continue to go higher. And I'm prepared to do that. Like there's nothing wrong with your prediction not going right, because once you actually put on a position, it's out of your control. The outcome is not in our ability to dictate. We cannot foment what we want to happen. Once we put on a trade, buy or sell is out, is done. And we're at the whims of the market. If it happens, then great. We called and we predicted that the market was going to go right. If it doesn't, it's not like we can come back in and revise it. We are already have released the order, the trade. All right. So let me go ahead and keep this the same. All in all, I'm not going to change my price prediction into the market in a GameStop. I'm going to leave it alone, but I am definitely paying attention to the market support area of $24 right here. And I'm going to be paying attention to see if the buyers are still there, because if they are, then the opportunity is still to the upside. All right, so give me your thoughts though. Hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel to get a simplistic way of understanding price action without the confusion. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.